Hi, and welcome to Studio Inglese's Advent Calendar for 2018. Today, on the first day, we will be looking at two adjectives, sensible and sensitive. Sensible means something or someone who's practical, who makes good decisions, who has a good sense. Sensitive means something or someone who reacts to change easily, or is easily offended. For example, those are a pair of sensible shoes. They are sensible parents. They make good decisions for their children. Alternatively, I sometimes can be a little sensitive. I react badly to criticism. And my teeth are sensitive. They hurt if I eat ice cream. Okay, so that's it for today. Remember to send us your requests or any questions, and I'll see you tomorrow.